What's up, guys? Thanks for visiting my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more amazing content on how to grow your dog's Instagram account, how to get monetized, how to do brand collaborations. If you want to see some cool, funny content of Trip in general, just being a goofball. But today's video, what I want to talk to you about is how to use the Meta Business Suite on Facebook and the reasoning why I use it. You can basically cross-post across your Instagram and your Facebook in one place. If you haven't already done so, make sure you download the content calendar guide for 2024. It will include the strategy of how to actually grow your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube, and it will also have a planner in there as well. I highly recommend filling this out first. It will take you about 1 hour to get in 3 months worth of content planned out, and how we're going to implement the content ideas that you had written out is what I'm going to show you today. And so the best way that I do this is by using Meta Business Suite. So if you don't have Meta Business Suite, then this video is not for you. This is purely for people who already have a Facebook account or are looking to start a Facebook account for their dog, and how to leverage it to actually create efficiency in your scheduling and how to grow your pet's account on there. So let's jump straight in. So the first thing I want to talk about, below in the description, you'll see 2 links that'll take you directly to 2 downloading websites where you can download content that you've already posted on your Instagram or your TikTok. So in my situation, I already have a TikTok for Trip that has 190,000 followers, and I have a Instagram for Trip as well that's almost at 17,000 followers currently. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull videos from those 2 platforms, because those are the main platforms that I actually film and edit and post content in. And then every single week, I plan out 1 day in my week where I'll go in and I'll re-download those videos and basically repost it onto my Facebook account. And so by doing this alone, we have been able to grow Trip's account from nothing all the way up to around 90,000 followers on Facebook. And there's a lot of benefits to doing this. One is monetization. Once you hit a certain level, you're able to get monetized on Facebook. So it's the same thing as YouTube, where you get monetized for ads that get ran on the accounts. Highly recommend using that as another source of income if you're looking to monetize the videos of your pets that you already have out there online and you are just looking for another way to make some extra money. Then this is a great way of doing that. I would highly recommend looking into starting a Facebook page and then walking through that, which I'll create a separate video on how to set up the Facebook page and all of that as well. So make sure you subscribe and like this video, and that way you can see a lot more cool content coming here pretty soon. I'll also show you the behind the scenes of the monetization and the payouts and the actual pros and cons to using Facebook in itself. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned for a lot of cool free content that's going to be coming your way. You need to make sure you have a plan for your content, okay? That is like the key priority here, because the Meta Business Suite technique that I'm going to show you isn't going to work if you don't have any content to post. Let's just make sure that that's in place first. Now let's assume that you've already got that set up. So you're already on your TikTok account or you're on your Instagram and you have been posting consistently for a set period of time, and maybe you have already generated a following. Now in that situation, what you're gonna do is you're going to use the links below and you're gonna download the videos. You're gonna then transfer them over into the Meta Business Suite. And I'm gonna do a screen share right now and show you exactly what that looks like. Okay guys, so I am currently in our Meta Business Suite platform, and here is where I wanted to show you how to essentially cross post on your Instagram and your Facebook, which is linked. And so this is assuming you've already set up everything, and I'm just going to go in and show you how I plan out our content. So I have 2 different apps. I have an Instagram downloader app and I have a TikTok downloading app. And once you go into the app, you basically paste the URL and it's completely free, and you would hit download and then it would download to your computer. And so I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So for example, on Trip's account, let's say I wanted to reshare this post onto his TikTok account, right? So I posted it on his Instagram, but I want to share it to TikTok. Actually, let's do let's do this one. So I'm in the video already, and then I just copy this link and I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to click download. And once that downloads, make sure you click download video and it's going to go into my downloads here, right? Then I'm going to, and obviously you can click download more. And make sure you don't click any of the ads or anything. You literally just have to click, like you enter in the URL and then you click download and that's it. And then we're going to go over into our planner over here. And in this top right corner, so you can see obviously all of the posts I have scheduled or planned out. You can also use it this way as well. So it has it in like a table view. I don't find this to be as helpful necessarily. But maybe for some people who are mostly posting like photos and videos and series and all that, you could do that instead. You can also view your stories. You can view the feed and the grid as well, which will just show you what your feed or grid looks like. And then you can also change, so this is what it looks like on Instagram, and this is what it looks like currently on Facebook, right? You can view your mentions and tags. So there's a lot of things that you can do in the Meta Business Suite. And that's why I would definitely, if you get a chance to set this up. It also, I feel like, has the best monetization from all three platforms that we use, from the TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And then I have just started working on YouTube. So hopefully that will be growing here pretty soon as well. And I will be sharing more on that. Now to actually start posting. And I just like to go to this because you can see it in week view or month view, and you can see how many posts you have scheduled. Assuming you've already got the content planner as well, and you've gone in and you've decided how much you want to post and everything like that. Now it's actually down to posting the videos. To do that, you do need to have a platform that you can use to do that. So you can do it directly through the app on Facebook. You can download Meta Business Suite, an app, again, on your phone, or you can do it directly through Instagram as well, same way you would with TikTok. So the way I like to do it on this is because it cross posts. So it means it can post on both platforms in one area. So it saves me doing double the work. Now, all I have to do is basically go to create reel. So in this top right corner, it says create reel. And you'll see that they're both already check marked. I'm going to click add video. And then I've already pre-downloaded a few videos that I've posted on TikTok that I want to share on basically on my Facebook and the Instagram account. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of them for an example. And it's going to come up here so you can preview it. And once it's added, you add your caption. Does your bully do this also? Let me know. And then you can add in your hashtags. And the cool thing about these hashtags is they're already, like, the ones you've already used are right here. So you can just basically click the ones that you think, you know, are funny for dog lovers and funny videos, you know, that kind of thing. Just pick a few. Obviously, some of these don't have any views, so I wouldn't worry about using those ones, but the other ones you can definitely use. And then just click add and it'll automatically add them. I like to add a few spaces between. And then you also want to add in the emojis, which you can click the emoji button down here. But let's just add this one in for an example. You can choose a frame or you can upload an image instead, which in this case, I'm going to upload a photo because it's going onto Instagram, and I feel like on Instagram things need to be aesthetic to some degree. So I'm going to use that image, and then you just click next. If you want to add in an audio, you can. You can also click it down here if you want to edit anything, if you want to crop it, add in text, or enhance it, you can do that as well. I already edited everything in TikTok, so I don't need to do that. And then this is showing that I am earning money on it, so it's enabled, which is great. And then as for scheduling, this is where you come in, and I would pick a date. So I might do, let's do like 4 p.m. It seems the window for when Trips followers are most active are between 12 and like 6 p.m. So I just try and keep it in that time frame if I can. And then it's already listed as public, and then I hit schedule. And so now it will take me here to my scheduled post, and I can hit refresh. And once I refresh it, it will come up right here, and it'll say, does your bully do this also? And it will have it for both. And it's showing that you don't get monetized on Instagram, but you do on Facebook, which is why I prefer using Facebook. And also, if you need to obviously edit anything, reschedule it, delete it, anything like that, you can also do that all in here. So I have everything scheduled out basically for the rest of the month. And then that's what I'll do again next week is I'll set a date and I'll go in and I usually try and edit everything in one platform, such as like TikTok. TikTok correlates really well into Facebook. Not everything in TikTok or Facebook correlates well into Instagram. So Instagram, I'll actually add in some different videos that I feel like are more appealing to that platform because it's very aesthetic and they like shorter videos and more engagement and that kind of stuff. So, so yeah, I try and mostly just cross post my TikTok videos into my Facebook account or my Instagram videos into the Facebook account as well. And then if there's any videos I make in TikTok that I feel like would do really well in Instagram, I will add that in as well. So that is just to show you a quick overview of what that looks like. If you have any other questions about cross posting on Instagram and Facebook, let me know, and I am happy to yeah, hopefully answer any questions that you have. Thanks. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching that tutorial. I hope that really helped you navigate the Meta Business Suite world and that it helps with your content planning across your Facebook account and your Instagram account. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel because I will be posting a lot more content here on how to grow your dog's Instagram account and the different tricks and techniques that I have. Again, everything is linked below, and make sure that you check out the description for the content strategy guide so you can plan ahead for 2024, as well as the 2 free websites that you can use to download the TikTok or Instagram videos. And of course, if you have any questions, please comment below or send us a direct message. I am more than happy to help you out, but I hope this was super helpful and stay tuned for more.